Anyways, Cathal?
Yeah, the reason I would support this bill is because I think the general public is not buying the lies and the misinformation that's been put out about cannabis by people who are attempting to maintain the status quo. The legislation that's there at the moment obviously isn't effective. I mean, 1 in 4 Irish people between 15 and 60, whatever the statistic is, have used cannabis. And they obviously don't believe it causes things like strokes and psychosis, or they don't believe that there's a serious danger of that. So they're voting with their feet, and as Luke says, they're being criminalised. The cost to society is very, very significant. We're putting, at a conservative estimate, we're putting €1 million a year into the criminal gangs system of drug dealers, and that's not helping communities, individuals. It's not helping the general health of our population. So I think a bill that regulates cannabis in a way that's more cognizant of the actual real research. As Garrett said, he's never heard of a death from cannabis. He's never heard of a stroke, the danger of stroke. I've never heard of that either. I have never heard any evidence to back up this allegation that it causes strokes. So there's a lot of misinformation out there. I think the introduction of this bill will stimulate a real discussion about the actual facts around cannabis. And my feeling is decriminalising regulation will definitely be for the betterment of the health of Irish people, and especially, I think, young people, because at the moment they're more or less forced into buying their drugs from illegal sources who also peddle other much more dangerous drugs. And I think it will be very helpful if the drug is regulated and if access is controlled in a rational way.
Thank you very much, Cathal. That's